Hey everyone, do you want to learn how to play the great standard Misty on piano? Well, in today's quick tip, I'm going to show you how to learn this well-known song in 3 easy steps. We're going to check out the lead sheet, the basic left-hand chords, and then put the melody together with some left-hand chord shells. It's a lot of fun and I can't wait to get started, so let's begin. Step number 1 is the Misty lead sheet. Now, a lead sheet is something you might find if you have a fake book, for example. You open it up and you'll see the melody written, you'll see the chord symbols, and sometimes the lyrics. So the first thing I do when I look at a lead sheet, I figure out what key are we in. Well, Misty has 3 flats, so we're in the key of E flat. That's number 1. Number 2, I look at the form of the song. What's the form of Misty? The form is how the song is structured. In this case, we have an A section. The A section repeats. Then we have a B section, and then another A section. They call that the A-A-B-A song form, or 32-bar song form. That's number 2. Number 3 is I check out the rhythm of the piece before I get into playing the melody. We're not going to go through and do all the rhythms today, but that's the 3rd step that I would suggest. Next up, I'm going to play the melody along with a track, and you could follow along at home. If you're enjoying today's video, please hit the like button, and if you're new to the channel, be sure to subscribe for more videos just like this. That's the first ending. Now we go back to the top. 1, 2, 3. Now we take the second ending and we go to the bridge. Four, 1. 3, 4, 1. Now we go to the last A section. 1, 2, 3. 2, 3. Well done. So that's the first thing I do. I go through and I play the melody just as written, right hand only. Don't worry about any chords yet. We're going to learn the chords coming up in step number 2. Step number 2 is learning the chords of Misty. And what we're going to do, we're going to learn the basic root position 7th chords of all the chords of Misty. And we're not going to worry about our right hand right now. We're only going to focus on the chords in our left hand. And we're going to play them in what's called root position, which just means that the root is on the bottom. We're going to go root 3, 5, 7. Now, ordinarily, we wouldn't play it that way. We wouldn't go through and play all root position chords because you jump around a lot. We would use some inversions and some different things, which we're going to be doing in step number 3. But it's always good to start with root position chords first, and then you can go and play some chord shells after that. So let's dive right in and get to the first chord, E flat major 7. In our left hand, we're going to play root 3, 5, 7 of E flat major 7. The next chord is a B flat minor 7, so we have root 3, 5, 7 there. Here's our E flat 7, then to A flat major 7, then to A flat minor 7, to D flat 7, and then the next 4 measures we'd go to back to E flat major 7, down to C minor 7, to F minor 7, to B flat 7. Notice how I'm kind of doing these as broken chords too. That's nice just to be able to play them from the root up. So that's G minor 7, here's C7, F minor 7, and then B flat 7. Now notice that's a first ending right there. So what we want to do after that, we want to go back to the top and repeat what we just did. So we're going to play E flat major 7 again, B flat minor 7, E flat 7, A flat major 7, A flat minor 7 to D flat 7, and then we move on again to the next 4 measures, but this time we're going to take the second ending. So we're starting at E flat major 7, C minor 7, F minor 7, B flat 7, but now take the second ending. We're going to play an E flat 6, D flat 7, back to E flat 6, and then a C minor 7. Now we're going into what's called the bridge, or the B section, where it's going to change slightly. You're going to see some different kinds of chords. So the bridge starts with a B flat minor 7. Again, root 3, 5, 7. Next measure is again a B flat minor 7 to E flat 7 to A flat major 7. And the next bar, all we're doing is make it in A flat 6. So we just move this note to here. So A flat 6. And then we have the last 4 measures of the bridge. We start with an A minor 7 to a D7, then to a C minor 7, then to an F7, and then to a G minor 7, C7, F minor 7, B flat 7. And the great thing about an AABA song is that once you know the A section, you pretty much know most of the song. You have A section and the B section because the A sections repeat the same chords. So here's the last A section, very similar to the beginning. E flat major 7, B flat minor 7, E flat 7, A flat major 7, A flat minor 7 to D flat 7. And then the last 4 measures we have, again, back to our E flat major 7, C minor 7, F minor 7, B flat 7, and then we end on an E flat 6, C minor 7, this is what's called a turnaround, F minor 7 to B flat 7. So you're going to see a lot of repetition in that, which is really cool. So you go through, you play the left-hand chords in a broken fashion. Now we're going to play them as a blocked chord, and we're going to play them along with the track. That's coming up next. So it starts with E flat major 7. 2, 3. Now B flat minor 7 to E flat 7. A flat major 7. Now A flat minor 7 to D flat 7. E flat major 7 to C minor 7. F minor 7 to B flat 7. Now up to G minor 7, down to C7. Up to F minor 7. B flat 7, now we go back to the top to E flat major 7. B flat minor 7, E flat 7 to A flat major 7. Now A flat minor 7 to D flat 7, E flat major 7 to C minor 7, F minor 7 to B flat 7, and now second ending E flat 6, D flat 7, E flat 6, C minor. Now we're going to the bridge. B flat minor 7, B flat minor 7 again, up to E flat 7, down to A flat major 7, and now A flat 6. Just move that one note. Now A minor 7 to D7, C minor 7, up to F7. G minor 7, C7, F minor 7 to B flat 7. Now this is like the beginning. E flat major 7, B flat minor 7 to E flat 7, A flat major 7, A flat minor 7 to D flat 7, E flat major 7 to C minor 7, F minor 7, back to E flat 6, C minor, F minor 7, B flat 7, and we're back to the top. Well done. So that's what I like to do, go through and just play the left hand root position 7th chords, and next up we're going to add the right hand melody. If you like the downloadable sheet music from today's quick tip, please click on the link below. All right, so now that we've played our left hand root position voicings and the right hand melody, we're going to put the hands together playing with the track. Notice that I moved the melody up an octave. I did that because if I did it in this octave, our hands would collide. So I moved the melody up an octave like that. If this is too difficult to put the hands together at this point, feel free to just play one hand or the other. I'm going to play both hands just so you can see how they fit together. Here we go. First ending. Now we're going to go back to the top. 1, 2, 3. Letter A. 2, 3. Now we take the second ending. The bridge. I'm swinging this a little bit with my right hand. 3, 4, 1. Last A section. 2, 3. Flat 7, and go ahead and play an E flat major. Beautiful. So again, you're going to be playing these left hand root position voicings, but that's not ideal, right? Because you're moving around a lot, and that's kind of hard to coordinate both hands like that. So in the final lesson, I'm going to show you how you can do it in a way that's much easier in the left hand with better voice leading. Step number 3 are the Misty guide tones. Now guide tones are the root, the 3rd, and the 7th. We're really simplifying the left hand here. And what we're going to do is if we have one chord for an entire measure, we're going to play the root, and then we're going to jump up and play either the 3-7 or the 7 and 3. And then if we have 2 chords per measure, we're going to just play, for example, the B flat minor, we just play the root and the 7, and for E flat 7, we play the root and the 3rd. Notice how they resolve so nicely like that. And then for the A flat major 7, we play the root, and we can jump up and play the 7 and 3 like that. So you're going to notice as you're going to play through these how your hands fall nicely, and you don't have to move around as much as what we were doing earlier with those root position 7th chords. Let's try it with the track, just the left hand. For a deeper dive into more techniques over Misty, please check out my course Misty Jazz Ballad 1 at pianowithjonny.com. So it starts with E flat. B flat minor 7 to E flat 7 to A flat major 7. Now A flat minor 7 to D flat 7. Now we jump down and play E flat, C minor, F minor 7, B flat 7, G minor 7, C7, F minor, B flat. Now we go back up to the top. E flat, B E flat minor, E flat 7, A flat major 7, A flat minor 7, D flat 7, E flat, C minor 7, F minor 7, B flat 7. Now we're going to go to the second ending, E flat, D flat, E flat, and then C minor. Now the bridge starts on B flat. We go up and play the root 7-3, B flat again, E flat 7, A flat major 7, A flat 6. Now A minor 7 to D7, C minor 7 to F7, G minor 7, C7, F minor to B flat. Now the last A section, we go E flat, B flat minor 7, E flat 7, A flat major 7, A flat minor 7 to D flat 7, and lastly E flat, C minor 7, F minor 7, E flat 7, and then the 1-6-2-5 turnaround. And you can end on the E flat if you'd like. Beautiful. So the final step is to put the hands together with these guide tones in the left hand and the melody in the right hand. All right, hands together, here we go. First ending, and repeat back. 2, 3. Take the second ending. Bridge. Add a little swing feel. Back to the letter A. On the E flat major 7. Beautiful job. So this is the way that you can play Misty, by just playing the melody in your right hand and these beautiful guide tones that we got from the original root position 7th chords. You do that and you're off to a great start. Next up after all of that is to add some more chord tones and some alterations, but that's just the icing on the cake. You'll sound great by just playing it this way. See you next time, everyone. Thank you.
Hey, thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed the lesson, please let me know in the comments. Also, be sure to check out pianowithjonny.com. We have over 1,000 step-by-step lessons for all playing levels where you'll learn your favorite songs, styles, and how to improvise at the piano. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.